What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the very first episode of the Lunch Hour, brought to you by Constant Collab, where we eat, sleep, and breathe finance, news, and everything in between. My name is Braulio. You can find me on Twitter at CryptoJunkie300. This is the very first episode of the Lunch Hour. We are going to cover pretty much finance news, and like I said, everything in between. Today is, very first episode, late lunch. It's 3:30 today, right now. So let's just jump into the market and check out what's going on today. Um, this is Gecko. Uh, Bitcoin is trading at 61,488. It's it retraced a little bit from the all-time high of 66,000 over the week. The market is pretty mixed right now. The alts aren't really moving. Yeah, it's just, it's marginal gains on some of the alts. Nothing has really changed right now. There's good support for Bitcoin at 60,000, so that's a really good thing. Um, Let me see. Ethereum, it's at 4,100 and it's holding there pretty well. Binance, it's trying to get to 500, but today again, the weekend is really, volume is decent, 109 billion, but there's really no big gains in the market right now. So that's okay. I mean, for the move that Bitcoin has made in the past couple weeks, that's to be expected. But let's hop into the news. And the very first one that I found, for this was released yesterday actually, but technically it's old news. Trump banking regulator determined banks should be allowed to trade crypto. They're talking about Brian Brooks. He was the former COO, the currency controller for the U.S. And back when he was in office, he said that banks could technically trade crypto for their clients. No banks has really done that so far. The only one that I know of is U.S. Bank. I'm pretty sure that they're starting to custody crypto for their clients, and eventually I'm assuming that they're going to start trading them for them or allowing them to trade it directly through their banks. But the determination was made by the staff of the Office of Comptroller of the Currency during the report, which cited unnamed sources. Yeah, this goes back to Brian Brooks. He 3 weeks after 2020 presidential elections, CEO Brian Armstrong even took to Twitter to blast rumor plans by the U.S. Treasury to attempts to track, own, and sell. Yeah, there. This is, I don't know why Yahoo Finance is really putting this out as new news. It's really not. It's fairly old. But yeah, banks, they're allowed to trade crypto as of right now. I don't know if the Biden administration is going to change that anytime soon, but that's what it is right now. Then the next article is American Express CEO says the crypto is unlikely a threat to traditional credit cards. I agree with that 100%. I mean, there's multiple platforms that allow you to get a credit card, and you can, or a card where you can spend your own crypto. I see that as being the future, and I see American Express actually and credit card providers taking your crypto as collateral to give you a credit card so you can spend as in regular places and make it more convenient for you. I see that as being the future of crypto and credit cards working together, and actually I think that's a really good thing when it comes to traditional finance and stuff like that. Let's see what he says. Unlike crypto, traditional credit cards offer clients reward services, ability for disputing charges, along with the ability to extend credit. Squiri said that he sees crypto much more as an asset class at this time, adding clients don't use AMEX to buy stock and doesn't see them focusing on buying crypto either. Uh, I mean, sure, you get rewards and you can dispute, you can get chargebacks and stuff like that, and that's what some people find that appealing when it comes to credit cards. But also, Even today, your own money, your debit cards, if 2 3 years ago, if you try to buy crypto, many banks kept people from doing so, and it was, even though it's your money, you a lot of times can't spend it how you want it, which attracts a lot of people into the crypto arena. That you have the freedom to literally buy whatever you want. I mean, if we go back to the Silk Road, people were buying drugs and whatnot. So that's an allure that the crypto has that regular banking does not. So even though yes, you get rewards and stuff like that, I think crypto has a brighter future when it comes to that. And like I said, if you go to crypto.com and you have your assets there, you can apply for a debit card where you charge your crypto and you get rewards. I mean, they give you a certain percentage back when you purchase. You get Netflix free through them. You get rewards when you shop at like Walmart and Sam's and large grocery stores and large markets. So the rewards claim, I mean, yeah, it's a claim right now, but down the line, I think crypto will be way better than that and offer a lot better rewards. So yeah. And then this one is very interesting. And I actually learned about it not too long ago. But Walmart has quietly begun hosting Bitcoin ATMs. The retail giant is offering Bitcoin through 200 of its Coinstar kiosks in a tie-up with crypto ATM firm CoinMe. Uh, this is really really good news for adoption in crypto overall. Walmart, the world's largest company by revenue, is letting customers buy Bitcoin at a dozen of its U.S. stores. I mean, that's great. I mean, there's not much to say after that. That's just a big move for crypto, Bitcoin adoption, and just the crypto market as a whole. Um, I think this is really 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 great. And I mean, there's here in the East Coast, Sheets. It's a very popular gas station. Um, they're looking to do the same thing to add Bitcoin ATMs. I believe that a number of them are already offering it. So it's just very simple. I mean, a lot of people don't like to deal with setting up a wallet and stuff like that. So just having the ability to put cash in there and get crypto, that's really awesome. And again, it's a step away from traditional banking. Crypto is literally putting their arms around traditional banking's neck. They're forcing them to adapt and to change, offer more services to their client, and just make it easier for people to have more freedom when it comes to their money, which is technically how it should be. People should have the ability to buy what they want, when they want, and how they want. So this is great. And then moving on to Ripple XRP, this lawsuit's still going, and by the looks of it, according to what people are saying, it might go till May of next year. I don't see it personally. I see them settling. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, not too long ago, put out that he was willing to settle as long as XRP is not declared security within the agreement. So it's theater when it comes to crypto and the SEC and the government. The SEC pretty much wants control of the entire crypto industry, and that would be detrimental for crypto as a whole. But they're literally biting more than they can chew when it comes to Ripple and XRP. I mean, Ripple, they have money, they have great backers, they have the support of multiple government agencies. So this fight, I mean, they can fight it as long as they want. I don't think the SEC wants that, but here they got a huge win last week. So let me just go into the report. The SEC is ordered to explain, among other things, how the Howey test applies to XRP, what the status of Ether and Bitcoin, and the sales of XRP as an investment contract. Judge Netburn, I mean, she's a level-headed judge, if you ask me, and I don't think she's taking any crap from the SEC and the government. I mean, like I said, the SEC is biting more than they can chew, and the Department of Homeland Security declare what should I call it, XRP as a currency. FinCEN did the same thing. The Treasury said that XRP was a currency. So literally, the SEC is the only agency in the U.S. that says that XRP is a security. Again, it's theater, in my opinion. I don't know what they're trying to prove or where they're trying to go, but I see XRP winning. I don't see the case going to May of next year. That's way too long. I don't think the SEC has the patience for that. So I see them settling before the end of the year. That's my opinion. There's no research. I mean, there's nobody that told me that was the case, that that's going to happen. I just, the way that things are going, they're weighted on Ripple's and XRP favor, if you ask me, and if you ask a lot of people in the crypto industry. I mean, they just think that this is theater, and the SEC is trying to prove a point that they really don't have. But yeah, that's all I got for today. I hope you guys enjoy the show. I am going to try to stream at least the lunch hour every single day. This episode is a little shorter than what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to go about 30 minutes to an hour. Thus the name, the lunch hour. And like I said, we're going to cover everything from crypto, finance, news. I mean, anything that sounds interesting around the world and current events. So if you guys have any suggestion as to what we can cover, leave it in the comments. Subscribe. And like I said, we are going to do this on a daily basis, at least Monday to Friday at the very least. And then there's another show that I'm working on with some of my friends for later on during the day. I will get to you guys on that once we finalize it and how it's going to work. But this is the lunch hour, and we're out.